There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone.
I have easy access anytime, 24 hours. So what I'm thinking on doing is pretty much removing things and start organizing, because it's mainly clothes, winter clothes mainly, and hijabs that I have in storage. And it's mainly that. So I have to see what I have in at least 3 of these bins that actually my friend bought to put extra things that I gave him, and I don't know what is where, so I'm going to do that now. This is very old suitcase that I am going to use to store some of the winter clothes. That's going to be nice. I don't have to buy another bin for that. Hijabs. So we are going to put all my winter clothes here. I hope everything fits here. I don't want to buy another bin. Kind of big. Everything I'm putting here. So far it's good. It's pretty good, and I have still one more. I don't know if it's going to fit. No, this one is too big. So these are winter pants that I want more handy, so I'll keep it as it was initially and close it. in all this organization, I have to make sure that I leave room for the car seat. Yes. I don't know, 1 year or more, and I should know what I keep from these bins or not, because everything is winter, right? Or the majority is winter things. Okay, I can get to this height with anything else. This I will leave it here. And now we're going to start storing on top of these bins. I know it's going to be kind of a headache to remove everything from the top of this bin to reach to anything that I have inside the bins, but more workout. This had to be very handy. This is because I love knitting, and one day, inshallah, I'm going to start knitting again. This is an unfinished cardigan. Okay, this needs to be handy. My winter boots and a couple of flip-flops that I'm not using right now. There. Laundry has to be handy. Okay, that can stay there. Perfect, that's all laundry. Yeah, I have to deal with the fact that if I'm not moving outside, the light turns off. So I have to walk half aisle down. So it turns on again. This can go on the floor. Vinegar, you go on the floor. Coffee goes on top of my shoes. This is the sink that I used only once or twice, so I don't need it. My toilet is here, so I'm going to keep it nearby. Sugar, baking soda. I have one of these in the cargo box. The extra one, I will leave it here. I need this with laundry. Some extra miscellaneous. This goes with me, so I can finish that brand. I think this is it for miscellaneous. Yeah. Okay, now I am going to organize these 2 boxes of Alia and the bin So I am going to organize that. I'm going to be in a position that you can't see on the camera. That's why I'm going to turn you off and show you the results. So this is everything organized in the end. And here should be enough space for the car seat. That I may put it actually behind the bins, because I'm not going to use it, and everything that is in the bins I might need. So once I have the seat, then I will see where I put it, in front or in the back of the bins. So yes, we are done with the storage. Oh, I forgot to put the heater. The heater goes here. We have enough room for everything, alhamdulillah. And now I need to go and take a shower because I am sweating.